So we're going to download an OS on our device. We need to go to a website like crackberry.com and find our OS for our phone, which is a BlackBerry 9930. And see, we can find it here. And then you just follow the links and download it. We'll not do that right now. Then we have to go to Computer, to the Control Panel, and then we need to find an OS Windows 7 Programs and Features, and any other software you have on there you need to delete. I've already deleted this previous one, so we're going to leave this one on there, but if you had another one you'd have to uninstall it first, and that's the one we want. So we're going to clear that out. Then you go to Desktop Manager. I've already got this device connected, and we're going to do a backup. I'm going to do full and just hit backup and let it do its thing. Okay, that's backed up. Now we're going to close this out, and we're going to go to Computer, C, Program Files, Common Files, Research in Motion, and you need to go to App Loader, and you scroll all the way down, and you have this vendor.xml document. Now we need to delete this so our computer will put it on our OS here. Okay, now we can go back and we can hit App Loader. Go back, App Loader, and you see Application, which is Loader. Click it, follow the steps, make sure it's connected, and let it run. Okay, so here's what we get. We got the OS 7 core software, which you can't touch, but now we can choose our languages we want to install. I don't want any of these. If you want English, financial terms, and French, that's fine. Here's everything that's already on this OS: BlackBerry App World, Maps. I'm going to leave all that. BrickBreaker I don't have installed. I'm going to leave it off. Basically all this stuff, unless you don't want it, you can take it off. Like Google Talk, I don't want to install that, so I'm going to take that off. Password Keeper, Social Feeds, Twitter. I'm going to take off Windows Live Messenger because I don't use that, and Yahoo Messenger. And these are all my apps. And then you just hit Next, and it will do another backup. I did one before just to make sure. And you hit Next and Finish, and this is going to take a while, but it'll go through all these processes. It's going to reboot and restore your data, and you should have a freshly updated device. Alright, you can see it's gone through all these processes here, and it's almost done updating the applications. As soon as it does that, it's going to reset right now, and it's going to boot up, and when you're done, it's going to restore all your previous data that you had before to just like you had it, except it'll have the brand new OS that isn't even released yet. Booting back up, it's got to go through the restore process, so I got to go through and hit Don't Ask Again, allow. These are for all my apps I have installed, and now it's going to restore all of my information that I had before I started the update, and it doesn't take that long. And when it's done, the phone will be ready to use, and hopefully it'll be better than the last one. It's not always the case. and we're done. So you click close and you can undo your device and see what we got. Of course, you have to log in all your information.